Atomic Explain Everything, Argon by Aaron and Connor.
Standard atomic notation is a way to represent an element by showing its mass number and atomic number. The element symbol is accompanied by two small numbers to the left of it, one on the bottom and one on the top. The number on the bottom is the atomic number, and the top number is the mass number.
In a Bohr-Rutherford diagram, you have the nucleus, which is a little circle in the middle, and then you have the rings, also known as orbits, around it containing electrons. The first orbit of the electrons surrounding the nucleus can hold a maximum of 2 electrons. As you add more orbits onto the diagram, the maximum number of electrons allowed on them is 8. An atom is made up of 3 different pieces called subatomic particles. The protons and the neutrons are located in the nucleus, while the electrons are orbiting around the nucleus. You can determine the number of subatomic particles by using a method called standard atomic notation. The atomic number of any given element on the periodic table is the number of protons in an atom, and to determine the number of neutrons, we subtract the atomic number from the mass number.
When drawing an electric dot diagram, you first write out the element symbol, and then you find the number of valence electrons in the specific element. After finding the number of valence electrons, you then place them around the element symbol, remembering that a maximum of 2 electrons are allowed on each side of the element symbol. The valence electrons on the outermost orbit on a Bohr-Rutherford diagram are also represented as the dots surrounding an element symbol in an electric dot diagram. Thank you for listening.